Turkey and Pakistan are in advanced talks to establish a production facility for the Kaan stealth aircraft in Pakistan, sources have revealed. This strategic partnership aims to strengthen defense capabilities and deepen military ties between the two nations. The facility will focus on manufacturing a specialized Pakistani variant of the Kaan aircraft, a state-of-the-art next-generation stealth jet designed to enhance aerial capabilities. Originally developed by Turkey, the Kaan aircraft has garnered significant global attention for its advanced stealth features and cutting-edge technology. It is engineered to challenge traditional fighter jets with reduced radar visibility, improved maneuverability, and enhanced payload capacity. Discussions between Turkey and Pakistan are currently centered on the technical and logistical requirements for setting up the production facility in Pakistan. Once operational, the facility will not only produce Kaan aircraft for Pakistan's Air Force, but could also become a hub for broader regional cooperation in defense manufacturing. A key feature of the Pakistani variant of the Kaan is its integration with Chinese WS-10G engines, renowned for their high performance and reliability. These engines will significantly enhance the aircraft's operational capabilities. The selection of the WS-10G engine underscores the growing defense collaboration between Pakistan and China as both nations continue to advance their military technology partnerships. This initiative carries substantial strategic implications for both countries. For Pakistan, domestic production of the Kaan aircraft will modernize its air force and strengthen its defense industry. Meanwhile, for Turkey, this collaboration highlights the deepening bilateral relationship in defense and technology with Pakistan, marking a significant milestone in their strategic partnership. The agreement provides an opportunity to expand Turkey's defense exports, with Pakistan emerging as a vital partner in this venture. The exchange of expertise and technology between the two nations could pave the way for future collaborations on military aircraft and other defense technologies. As discussions between Turkey and Pakistan advance, attention will likely shift to the specifics of the production process, focusing on efficiency and technological excellence. If successful, the establishment of this production facility could serve as a model for future regional collaborations in defense manufacturing and technology transfer. However, a critical aspect of this collaboration lies in the integration of the Chinese WS-10 engines. While these engines are recognized for their high performance, their inclusion raises an important geopolitical question. Will China permit a NATO member like Turkey to gain access to this advanced technology? China has historically been cautious about sharing sensitive military technologies, particularly with countries that are part of military alliances like NATO. The concern is that such advanced technologies could potentially benefit rival powers or compromise China's national security interests. Given Turkey's NATO membership, a military alliance often at odds with China's strategic objectives, this situation presents a delicate balancing act. China's decision to approve the WS-10G engine for the Kaan aircraft may depend on several factors, including its broader strategic objectives in South Asia and its relationships with both Pakistan and Turkey. China's defense partnership with Pakistan is well established, with both nations collaborating on various military projects. Supplying the WS-10G engine to Pakistan aligns with China's interest in strengthening ties with its key strategic ally. However, China's relationship with Turkey is more complex. While Turkey has fostered cooperation with China in areas like trade and infrastructure, including the Belt and Road Initiative, it remains integrated into NATO's defense framework and has occasionally aligned with Western powers on global security issues. This nuanced dynamic adds an extra layer of complexity to China's calculus in approving the technology transfer. This dual alignment makes China cautious about granting Turkey full access to sensitive military technology, as it risks straining its relationships with other nations, particularly the United States, which has a complicated history with both Turkey's NATO membership and China's rise as a global power. Positioned at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Turkey plays a critical role in the intricate dynamics of global geopolitics. As a NATO member, Turkey often finds itself at odds with Russia and China on various issues. However, it has historically pursued an independent foreign policy, enabling it to maintain diplomatic ties with China while continuing to engage with Western allies. Access to the WS-10G engine would undoubtedly enhance Turkey's defense capabilities and provide a significant technological edge to the Kaan aircraft, further solidifying its position in the global defense arena. Turkey's NATO membership poses a unique challenge for China, raising concerns about the potential long-term implications of such a deal. Specifically, China may worry that providing advanced military technology to Turkey could inadvertently benefit NATO or be utilized by the alliance in the future. Given Turkey's strategic significance and its ability to maintain relationships with both NATO and China, Ankara could leverage this position to its advantage during negotiations. China might ultimately agree to grant Turkey access to the WS-10G engine, albeit with specific conditions or limitations. These conditions could include assurances that the technology will not be shared with other NATO members or that it will be used exclusively for Pakistan's defense needs. Additionally, this arrangement could be seen as an opportunity for China to strengthen its relationship with Pakistan while carefully managing its broader global interests. By allowing Turkey access to the WS-10G engine, China could reinforce its partnership with Pakistan and foster a sense of trust and collaboration with Turkey. This move could represent a calculated risk for China, as it would need to closely monitor Turkey's military alliances and activities to ensure the technology does not benefit NATO or undermine China's own defense strategies. While Turkey's dual relationship with both China and NATO creates a unique dynamic, it also presents an opportunity for China to solidify its partnership with Pakistan and potentially foster a more cooperative defense relationship with Turkey. Ultimately, China's decision will hinge on a variety of factors, including the evolving political and military landscape in South Asia. Turkey's readiness to respect China's interests and the broader balance of power between NATO and China will play a crucial role as negotiations progress. The outcome of this deal will not only impact Turkey and Pakistan, but also influence the future of international defense collaboration in the region. In conclusion, the potential production of the Kaan stealth aircraft in Pakistan marks a significant milestone in the defense sector for both Turkey and Pakistan. This partnership not only deepens bilateral ties, but also bolsters the military capabilities of both nations, positioning them as influential players in the evolving global defense technology landscape. Now, if you like this video, check out this next video right here.